Concepts in 90 seconds. Make use of your time effectively. Listen to the concept, subscribe, and then do something else. Woohoo! Welcome to another Concept in 90 seconds video. What is the endotoxin test? An endotoxin test looks for the leftover bits of dead microorganisms. One would typically test injectable sterile products for endotoxins. Endotoxins are known as pyrogens and are substances that, if injected into a person, could cause fever and, in a really bad case, death, and that's not something you generally want. There are a few different endotoxin tests. One test, the most popular one, is the LAL test, or Litmus ameabocye lystate test, and that uses the blue blood of horseshoe crabs and its clotting reaction to get a result. Other tests are chromogenic, that is a colour change, or turbidimetric, as in how cloudy the test sample gets. Well, that was the endotoxin test in 90 seconds or thereabouts. If you found this interesting, informative, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and then hit notify to be informed when more videos are posted by me.